Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. We have yet to test the 150 moving average, this red line at the price of $2.84. With the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. As with the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD and we're still off of overbought levels with the RSI. For support, that will be where you have the 9-day moving average, this blue line, which acted as support in the past as indicated with February 4th, is currently at the price of $2.79. If we were to test that level, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 3.3%. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $9.64, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. My sell target for it is at $10.77, and my stop loss is at $9.42. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $11.42. My sell target is at $9.88 and my stop loss is at $12.13. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? That all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day, or a week of trading, we have a 27% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 8.5%, and to the downside a 60% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 8.5%, and a 13% chance to fall between negative 8.5% to negative 17%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.